Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to silence notification while driving on Samsung Galaxy A54. So, if you want to drive and you want to mute all incoming calls automatically on your Samsung Galaxy A54, then here's a quick video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to silence all incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy A54 while driving, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Safety and Emergency. Once you selected Safety and Emergency, locate and click on Silence Notification while driving. Click on that. Then it should say Do Not Disturb while driving. Now go ahead and turn on Do Not Disturb while driving. This is how it works. Do Not Disturb while driving help minimize distraction by automatically silencing incoming calls, text, and notification when driving is detected. So once your phone detects that you are driving, it's going to turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. And once it's sensed that you've stopped driving, it's going to turn off Do Not Disturb automatically as well. So it does this automatically. So to turn it off, just turn on Do Not Disturb while driving, and then you're good. So that is basically how to silence notification while driving. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.